Hey guys, I am super excited to let you know or to announce that I already finished beginners level and intermediate level workbooks and worksheets. So, in this episode or in this podcast, I'm going to talk about my beginners level workbook and worksheets. It's really, really fun and it's very helpful for you to learn a lot of vocabularies, like everyday vocabularies. It's great for beginners, and all what you need in order to do this beginners workbook, all you need to know is the alphabet. So if you know the alphabet, or you are at least familiar with them, it should be fine. If not, I have got also the worksheets to help you with it. So now I'm going to go a little bit in details. The workbook has over 100 vocabularies, um, about 4 to 6 exercises for most of the topics, and it has about 7 different topics. The topics are like, again, everyday stuff like feelings, colors, weekdays, adjectives, greetings, things like that. It is very organized, and before you start any exercises, you will see a chart with the vocabularies about all vocabularies in the workbook is about over 100 vocabularies, but for each topic you would see like all the vocabularies and how to you pronounce them in English. So if you are just familiar with the letters, that should be fine, because I wrote how you pronounce the words in English. So for example, the word car in Arabic, it means siyara. So I wrote in English Seyara. So you would know how to say the word. So that's very helpful. It has like a lot of variety, like pictures, matching, crossword, circle the correct answer, and it's really fun. I would like, if I'm learning a language, I would love to get that. Now, if you don't know anything about the letters, you have no idea about anything about the Arabic letters. So I got worksheets. These worksheets, they have the alphabets first. You will see alphabets. Another one, it has like how the alphabet is written, the beginning, middle, and end of the word. And then another worksheet, it has like combining or separating the letters in a word. So you would learn like by yourself how to connect or separate the letters. So for example, you will see the word siyara, which means car. You would see like the first letter, space, second, space, third, and then you're going to put them all in one word. Or you will see the word and you need to separate the letters. So they are all different. They're really cool. They're really fun. They're cheaper than a cup of coffee, and that's not gonna be forever. The workbook, I worked on it for like a whole month. It's almost 40 pages, but right now I made the price cheap just because it's a beginner and it's for my listeners. All that. My students, they love the workbook. They said it looks really fun and they enjoyed it and it's easy. So I really recommend it, and I will put all the links underneath my podcast. So you will see like the worksheets link, the workbook link. It's all in my Etsy. And if you go to my Etsy, you will also see it under the learning section. But everything is gonna be organized underneath the podcast, so you can go directly to it. Um, I did not tell you my name. If you are like a first time listener, my name is Ella. I teach one on one, and my email address is alaa.arabictutor at gmail.com. So my first name, alaa.arabictutor at gmail.com. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for listening.